Little hands can make berry tarts to top off the last day of school. Aimee Krey is bringing us this kid-approved, mom-approved fun food. They're darling.
Aren't they cute?
And they're flavor packed, I can see, with some berries on top.
Yes, absolutely. And you can use any kind of pudding flavor that you want.
Okay.
Today we're using coconut and chocolate. Coconut.
Wow.
I know.
You're just taking us to the beach with that
I know, and
combination.
you could use, and we've got berries today, but you could add bananas or pineapple or kiwi or whatever you want.
Are you layering these puddings?
You could.
Oh, okay.
You can do whatever you want.
Whatever.
And I mean, and kids are probably going to want to layer. The kids like to add everything.
Right.
So, anyways, here I'll let you do the coconut flavor. A little less messy.
Oh, sure. Keep the chocolate for yourself. No, just kidding. I love coconut.
I love coconut. Coconut is actually what I prefer.
And you pre-bought these little pie crusts?
I pre-bought. No, I was going to say yes. Look at this. This Keebler already makes. You know, of course you can make them, but I think it's hard to find the tiny little pie shell. So once you have them, then sure, it's just a graham cracker crust.
And these are all simple recipes, from the pudding to, you know, you can even get the kids involved in the fruit cutting if they're age appropriate.
Totally, absolutely. And if it's right after school, if you're a mom that just wants to have everything ready, they can come home and put it together. Now, this is not just something that you could do just for after school. I think this would be fun for like a baby shower or a bridal shower, just to have and let people build their own tarts.
Yeah, there's something about a bar, right, where you can assemble your own.
So a little whipped cream. You could do your homemade whipped cream, but we got the one from the can.
It's coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes. Add some fruit to yours.
Yes.
Some slivered almonds, sprinkles. You know, just go crazy. Add whatever your kids like. You can put it out there for them.
So many great applications, and I actually haven't seen these mini pie crusts. So just with the regular size pie crusts.
You mean
that where you find them in the grocery store?
Oh yeah, right there.
Regular...
Yes, I thought you make a tart with a big regular one. I'm like, sure you can.
You could do that too. Really cute. Look at this. As my daughter likes to say, cheers anytime she has like food in her hand. Cheers.
Yeah. Add a little mint sprig to that and some powdered sugar, and it is just the cutest thing ever. So
love it.
Fun for the kids. Fun for any occasion, actually.
Yeah, quick and easy. Aimee, thank you so much. Look at that finished product over there, bright and colorful. Lots to look at. We appreciate it, Aimee. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having me.